Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dominique Martin, a licensed therapist, and today we're talking about one of the most powerful yet overlooked tools for building a healthy, lasting partnership, and that's relationship goals. A lot of couples think goals are something that's only for individual stuff, but having clear shared relationship goals is just as important because it helps y'all grow together. I know it's the new year and it's a great time to set some relationship goals. My goal by the end of this video is to help you establish a foundation for relationship goal setting. So if you're ready to make this your best year yet for your relationship, confirm it by tapping that like button and subscribing to my channel. All right, let's go. So I know you might be wondering why relationship goals matter to begin with. Let me tell you why. So imagine trying to plan a trip without knowing your destination. You might end up wandering, frustrated, or feeling lost. A relationship works the same way. This is why I love using the GPS analogy. So, your current place as a couple is your current location. So, how things feel right now, your communication, your routines, your connection. Your relationship goals, on the other hand, is your destination. So, where y'all want to go with y'all's relationship? What do y'all want to build together in the life y'all want to share? And just like a GPS gives you turn by turn directions, your relationship goals gives y'all a clear step by step path for getting where y'all want to go. So the first step in this process is to get clear about where y'all want to go. So ask yourselves, where do we want this relationship to go? What do we want to accomplish together? Let me say this. Being intentional don't make y'all's relationship rigid. It makes it purposeful. Maybe y'all want to deepen emotional connection. Maybe y'all want to communicate more effectively. Or maybe y'all planning a future together, like building a home, starting a family, or becoming more financially stable. When y'all clear and focus on where y'all going, it becomes so much easier to take actionable steps that make that vision a reality. Because healthy relationships don't just happen, they build. Y'all's goals help y'all answer the questions. How do we grow our life together? And this might mean routines that support connection, like weekly check ins or intentional date nights. It might mean supporting each other's individual dreams, careers, learnings, and passions while also still nurturing the relationship. Think of y'all's future together. What does y'all share life feel like? What kind of partnership are you building 5, 10 years from now? Y'all's vision is something that y'all both move towards. All right. So when y'all ready to create or redefine y'all's relationship goals, here are some powerful questions to guide that conversation. One, what matters most to us as a couple? So, what are our priorities, long term and short term? Two, what are our core values and beliefs as a couple? So, what do we stand for in our relationship? Three, what vision do we have for the future of our relationship? So, emotionally, financially, or in terms of lifestyle. Okay. Four, what qualities, strengths, or mindset shifts do we need to adopt? So, do we need more patience, better communication, more vulnerability, more teamwork? Okay. And five, what specific goals do we want to set together? And what small, consistent steps will move us towards those goals. These questions open the door to clarity and honesty in alignment. Because here's the empowering truth. As a couple, y'all have the ability to shape the relationship y'all want. And it starts with setting intentional goals. Just like a GPS, you might need to reroute sometimes because life changes, challenges come up, and detours may happen. But when y'all know where the destination is, you have a basis on how to get back on track. So, creating relationship goals is not about perfection, it's about partnership. It's about choosing again and again to build a life together with purpose and clarity. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more relationship tools. And let me know in the comments what's one relationship goal you want to start working towards. And as always, stay motivated, and I'll see you on the next video.